Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason Safari browser on your iPhone just isn't loading up any websites. Now this can happen for a lot of different reasons. There's never just one reason why this happens. But the first thing I would recommend you to look into is actually making sure you're connected to the internet. If you're not connected to Wi-Fi and you're not connected to data, then I don't even understand how you're watching this video, but you're going to want to go ahead and connect to a better cell signal. So you want to make your way over to your iPhone settings. You want to click on Wi-Fi. You want to connect to a solid connection. You want to connect to a good cellular connection as well. And at that point, you want to make your way over to a different application. So just hop out of Safari and make your way over to like TikTok or Snapchat or a news website, whatever other application you can go into that also needs internet. And you want to see if things are loading within it. So if you make your way over to an application and everything seems to be loading, you don't get like a no internet connection problem or something, then you should be good to go and there shouldn't really be a problem for the most part. It was probably just some weird internet connection error. And you can make your way back over to Safari and you should be able to be good for the most part. And then when you go to Safari, you want to make your way over to a different website. And if everything loads, then you're perfectly set. If nothing else is loading, then you pretty much know your problem. It's an internet problem and you have to go connect to a better cell signal or better Wi-Fi connection to get things actually working. Now let's say every other app is working except for Safari. Well, you want to make sure that the website you went to is actually working. So if you're going to some random website, maybe the website's not working anymore, maybe it's out of date, maybe they didn't, do the domain or whatever it is. If that's the case and every other website is loading, well then you're going to have to go ahead and actually figure out that website name, because most probably that website name is inaccurate that you're typing, and it's totally okay. Like I mentioned, it happens all the time. So you're going to have to find out the real name of that website and then go on from there. Now let's say some websites work and some websites don't. Well, what you probably want to do is you either want to go and update your iPhone and you want to clear out your Safari history. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is going and updating your iPhone. It's the easiest way to do this. So you want to go into your settings, you want to scroll down into general, and you want to go and click on software update, which is right there. And if there's an update available, you want to update to it, and that probably will end up fixing the problem. If that fixes it, then you're fine. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing I recommend doing is hopping in down here to your Safari. So go to Safari here. You want to go and click on clear browsing history, which is all the way down here. So click clear history and website data. It's pretty much going to log you out of everything and all that stuff. But if you have iCloud Keychain, it's going to save your passwords anyway. And then you want to go back into Safari and then you want to see if that fixed it. I'm going to be honest, I think you should be good to go for the most part. If it's fixed, then you're fine. If it's not fixed, you may want to go ahead and either contact Apple or try to rewatching this video, because it's probably end up being fixed at some point. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.